Hi dollies! If you're new here, I am Jasmine. You can call me Jazz or Jazzy. So first, I got my wig from Shein and I will put the link in the description for you guys to get it. Most hime gyarus use bundles for their hair, use each pieces and stuff, but I use another alternative. And so let's get started. Okay, now I put my hair, my wig actually. This is quite hard because this is such a struggle. I recommend to get bundles for this because honey, this is literally struggle. So next what you want to do is get your hair tie, and don't mind, I got a big mosquito bite from yesterday helping my dad plant some trees and leaves, whatever. Make sure your ponytail is going directly right in the middle, right here, close to your bangs, so you can get that perfect poofy illusion. I have to do 3 ties for this to stay. And if you want to know how to curl a synthetic wig, I'll link a video, a tutorial from a person that I got inspo from. You want to keep fidgeting until it gets to the size you want. Then voila! And I'm getting crafting materials on the August 16th. So I'm going to start crafting some of my own hime stuff. And I'm so excited for that. I might film videos for that. Next, you want to grab your hair stuff. And I've got this bow also from Shein. I recommend putting it on the side. It makes it look so much cuter. And some roses if you want to add them. But today I'm not going to add roses. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm also gonna pick this to wear. And I'm not gonna tell y'all where it's from because it's from a bad company. Yeah. So cute. Don't worry, I got this for free. I didn't actually buy it from that company. So this is the first layer. And now for the second. So adorbs. So I got this necklace from YesStyle. This is the final look and I love it so much. I did my hair, my makeup, I feel so pretty. Got this cute outfit on, this cute bow. I just feel like a princess. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.